In today I'm going to show you how to create cinematic text in Adobe Premiere Pro. This is a simple video footage and we will create the text here. You can write here as your wish. We can change the color here. We will go to Effect Control and search Gaussian Blur. Leave the effect the top of layer. Then back to the Effect Control and turn on the keyframe, Gaussian Blur and Scaled. We will increase the brightness 100%. Then turn on the opacity keyframe and decrease the value of amount 0%. We will move 1 second forward, set the blurriness to 0. Adjust the scale to 125% and set the opacity to 100%. We'll move the keyframe to the end of the scale to bring the animation throughout the video. Then I will set the opacity to 0. Go back by 1 second and set the opacity back to 100%. We will reduce the opacity of the video layer on the exact same frame to make it look nicer. To see more video like this, subscribe to our channel and stay connected with us. If you have any comments, please let us know in the comment box. Thank you for watching.